Hello guys, in this tutorial you are going to learn some functions in Microsoft Excel. Functions are inbuilt formulas in Microsoft Excel. To calculate sum, enter equal to and you type your function, which is sum. You can double click, then you select your range, hit the enter key. To calculate your average, enter equal to, type average, double click, select your range, hit the enter key. To calculate your minimum, enter equal to, type your function, double click, select range, hit the enter key. To calculate maximum, type your function, double click, select your range, hit the enter key. To calculate media, equal to, type your function, select range, hit the enter key.